Hey guys, Wendy Patton here with Lindsay Jensen.
Hi guys.
Hey, we are in Colorado Springs together. I'm from here, she's from here. I'm visiting my mother here who lives right around the corner from where Lindsay lives. And she is our speaker, okay, for Subject 2s. And you are going to want to attend this meeting because Subject 2s are such a crucial part of what you could be doing in today's market, right guys? There's so many mortgages out there that have low interest rates. People are going to need to get out. The market is changing. And Lindsay has amassed over $10 million in her first 6 years doing primarily Subject 2. So Lindsay's going to teach an all-day course to you. Lindsay, tell them a little bit about what they're going to learn from you that day.
Well, we're going to dig into the nitty-gritty of Subject 2s and how to handle things the right way and do these so that these are going to build up a portfolio that you can retire from. Okay, I want you to learn how you can take on a lot of deals all at the same time, right? Like you can build your portfolio quickly and you don't have to do hundreds of transactions every single year to do this, okay? So we're gonna dig into all the nitty-gritty of how to do these successfully so you don't get into trouble, the loan doesn't get called due, and I'm really excited to meet all of you.
Yeah, you guys, make sure you get signed up right away with the link below. This class will be completely full. We have never had a one-day seminar on Subject 2s for our Michigan Real Estate Investors Group, so make sure you get signed up for it. I don't know when we'll be able to get Lindsay back. She doesn't travel very often, so you're in for a special treat. We are very lucky and privileged to be able to have her come, so make sure you get signed up right away. We'll see you guys there.
Bye.